staying where you are, do a short score of Paulines. Just begin by listening to your own breathing, and then gradually place your palms of your hands over your ears to amplify your breath, make it intimate for you. Listen to the sound of your breath as it turns into a sound like the wind. It might be gentle, gusty, howling, or another kind of wind. Make your sounds louder gradually, and then gradually remove your palms from your ears to join your wind sounds with the other wind sounds until one wind sound appears.